What child is this who lay to rest on Mary's lap is sleeping?
It came upon a midnight clear in the glorious times of old, when the angel Gabriel came down with a message to be told, to speak to 3 wise pandas of beautiful things to come and invite them to join him upon the journey away from the sun. The instruction was to follow the star. The 3 wise pandas were also shocked. They did not know what to do. They had to find some gifts to take. It'll just have to be food. The holy mackerel, a parsnip, and a little orange were perfect gifts to take to welcome the new bear to his place. Gabriel was such a busy angel that he then went to visit the shepherds, whilst they washed their socks by night, all seated around a lamb. Come, shepherds, follow the star to the Holy Land. The choir of angels was singing away in a manger as Mary and Joseph waited patiently for that special moment. Mary and Joseph were on their way. They'd found a stable with some hay. As if by magic, in front of them, a fully grown rainbow bear emerged. He was to be the new child king. God rest ye, merry gentlemen, for the time has come for some guests to visit. The first is It was a busy place, and we followed the star, and the shepherds they came from afar. The choir of angels sang away in a manger to worship the new-born bear. Three wise pandas from Orient are bearing gifts. We've travelled by car. Hark, the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn bear. This is our nativity to welcome you to Christmas Eve.
A really good Christmas time.